Mr. Didier Vanal, Executive Vice President of Log Fret Montreal.
That's right.
Mr. Vanal, why did you absolutely wanted to be here for this event, for the Forum Africa 2013?
Okay, well, it's very simple. I just came back from a mission in Africa with the Quebec government, and we also have business right now in Africa, in Mauritania exactly. We're finishing the transportation of a mine, and so I'm trying to develop other countries such as Senegal, Côte d'Ivoire, even Burkina Faso for our company.
Could you explain to us exactly what you are doing?
What we do, we transport. We organize the transportation of goods, whether it be containers, air freight, or even full vessels of what we just finished now. And I have my last vessel arriving in Mauritania at the end of the month. We transport all kinds of goods, whether it's structural material or containers or oil, tires, whatever.
So you're one of the entrepreneurs that understood that Africa is a land of opportunity. They've been saying this morning so many times, l'Afrique, le continent africain est en émergence. You have understood that long time ago.
Well, a long time ago, let's say a couple of years ago, yes, and we've been involved. We've been involved in Africa in the past. We were very much involved in before my time with this company, and Africa was kind of put on the side, and now we realize that there is a lot of new development, and there is we have a lot of interest in Africa.
If I ask you a question, sir, and if another businessman that wants to start or make venture in Africa hears you, it is certainly not easy. You need to be well organized. There must be difficulties. Could you give us, without being too now pessimistic, I don't want you to be pessimistic,
No.
but give us just an idea of how, it's not so easy.
No, it's not easy, but I would say you have to talk to the right people. You have to meet the right people. Like they were saying this morning during the conference, you want to talk to people that are already there. And I agree with the ex-president of Nigeria. If people answer saying it's not bad, you know it's good, because that's the way it is over there.
What about the people here in Quebec? We're all Quebecers. Do you feel that the government or levels of government are helping you, helping people like you? Or do you feel maybe they could do more?
Well, maybe not ourselves, but they are doing a lot right now in Africa. As a matter of fact, the mission I was with, they opened 2 offices called Expansion Québec, and that permits companies that want to establish themselves in Africa. They can use the facilities for, I think it's a month before they have to find their own offices and what have you.
Mr. Vanal, thank you very much. Congratulations. It was nice talking to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.